Oscar-winning Mad Max Fury Road with a prequel exploring the origins of Furiosa, a character previously played by Charlize Theron. The prequel stars Anya Taylor-Joy in the role with Hemsworth and Warlord. Also starring Theron, who played Furiosa in 2015's Mad Max Fury Road, was disappointed when Miller did not bring her back for the prequel, but Miller explained in a recent interview with Empire magazine that he had reasons for recasting the role with Anya Taylor-Joy. Rather than re-aging Theron to play a younger version of the character, Miller discovered a younger Furiosa in Taylor-Joy, who landed the role after receiving reference from Last Night in the Soho director Ezra. Miller told Empire that he instantly knew Taylor-Joy was the appropriate person to play the main heroine because she possessed some powerful attributes. The prequel will be shown outside of the competition on May 15 the Grand Theatre, Lumiere at Le Palais des Festivals. The premiere comes 9 years after filmmaker George Miller presented Mad Max Fury Road at the festival in 2015. Following its Cannes debut, Fury Road became a critical and economic success and is largely regarded as one of the best action pictures of all time.